Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about the product knowledge of the skincare function. So first of all, for you to start a skincare journey, you need to start with the base. Start with your facial cleanser and your glycolic tonic before applying any other thing on your face. So you need a good mild facial cleanser to wash your face. Then use your glycolic tonic before applying any other thing on your face. So that is what I mean by the base. So just as the facial cleanser, you go first with the facial cleanser. The facial cleanser is foamy. You use this to wash your face because the soap is not good on your face. The soap can be harsh. It might cause breakouts, it might cause pimples, it might cause itchiness, it might cause dryness. That's why you need a good facial cleanser, regardless of any kind of product you use. Facial cleanser is the first step you need to apply on your face while starting your skincare. Second step is your glycolic tonic or your radiant toner. This is the one you use cotton wool to clean your face. So the first step is facial cleanser, then the glycolic tonic before any other thing you want to apply on your face. You get it. The next thing is the vitamin A. The vitamin A serum is for anti-aging, age of 40 and above, those that are about to get old but they want to get younger. It repairs the face, it makes them to look young. That is the use of this vitamin A. The vitamin C serum is for brightening and lightening. Black skin girls love using this vitamin C serum. The black skin girl feels that it will make them fair, but it's not true because the product isn't bleach. It's a natural product, so anybody can use it. But I always advise whenever you want to use this vitamin C serum, make sure you use it in the night. It's preferable in the night because of it might cause sunburn. You understand? So using a vitamin C serum is not good during the day. But if you choose to use it during the daytime, make sure you add it with your sunscreen to protect you from sun rays so it will not burn your skin. But as for me, I prefer you use your vitamin C in the night. The next one is the Arbutin serum is for brightening and anti-dark spots. If you have anti-dark spots, it brightens your skin depending on the product you're using. So that is the work of the Arbutin. My Cinnamide serum is for pore tightening. There are some pimples that causes a dot. Look at your nose, you see dots, open holes. You see the sweat holes, like the way your hands is on top of your nose. It brings out those milky, whitish something on your nose. So that is the work of niacinamide serum, the eye contour serum. This eye contour is not necessarily for everybody, but I see people using it just to cause sharp eye, to bring out their sharp eye, to make their eyes to be sexy, to be luminous. But for me, this eye contour serum is for those that have dark under eye circles and reddishness. Maybe they applied something that might have resulted those places to be dark, that makes that place to be okay. So that's what the eye contour serum does. The next thing is the sunscreen. Sunscreen is to protect yourself away from sun, to prevent sunburn or your skin changing discoloration. You understand? You see people, oh, the sun is much, I'm now darkening, my skin is now changing. So you need a sunscreen to apply on your face. For Harem Istanbul, they have anti-dark spot sunscreen, they have anti-acne sunscreen, and they also have anti-spot sunscreen. So they have three different sunscreens depending on the issue you have. So you can go for this sunscreen. Whenever you want to apply this sunscreen, always add with the hydration cream. For me, I prefer adding the hydration cream. This is the hydration cream. So when you mix it together, it prevents those cuts on your face. And also, this hydration cream helps to hydrate the skin from roughness, glows, and makes the skin to be soft. That's the functions of this hydration cream. So whenever you want to use this sunscreen, you can mix it together. But if you have any other sunscreen products you're using, perfect. This optimal face cream I use, it has everything you need. And this is about the Oriflame products is they don't have single. Everything is all packaged in one. It has both the Arbutin, brightening, the vitamin C, and everything is all here in one. And the night it has good dehydration to repair the face and everything. That's what I noticed about Oriflame product. Everything is all packaged in one. But there are people that prefer to use different products according to their functions because they think it works best if you use it single. Why people prefer, oh, everything is inside. I don't have the strength to start applying step 1, step 2, step 3. So it's all your choice. All products work. But all I always say, make sure you go for the product that best works for you. And I always say, if you're a skincare beginner and you want to start a skincare, make sure any product you buy, you make sure that the person gives you the tester for you to take home and try it for like a week plus or 2 weeks. And when the product works best for your skin, then know that that is the product for you. And always have two products that you use, product A and product B. In case that those products are not available, you can go for product B, because for those that order things online, you might want to buy things online and those products are not online. You might go for product B because you already have two products you are depending on. Do you understand? So then is the facial scrub. This is a facial scrub, and this is also a whitening rub cleanser. This is from Harim Istanbul. Depends on the one you want to use. You need to scrub your face twice or once in a week. The essence of scrubbing your face is to remove dead skin cells on your face. When you remove dead skin cells on your face, the pores are open, everything is open, so that anything you apply on your face works faster. That's the essence of scrubbing your face. So you need to scrub your face. Then the raspberry multipurpose balm by Oriflame. I love this balm. This balm is the lifesaver. I will always advise you buy this. You need it to your house. It's just like a face aid. It works. It does a lot of functions. Apart from it moisturizes the lips and softens the lips, it also applies on your wound. It heals wound faster. If you have rashes, maybe baby rashes or something, you use it. It prevents ringworm. It helps to fade away sunburn. I do not say it prevents. It helps to fade away sunburn. When you apply it on the areas that you have sunburn, those dark places that looks burnt, consistent and nice every day, you see your actual skin color rejuvenating back, and it begins to heal from the inside. So when it heals, it begins to it heals from the inside and it begins to bring out your actual skin color. For you to get a result, you have to use this for a month for you to be able to get, because it's a slow something. It has to go deep to bring out your actual skin color. Do you understand? Then we have the miracle oil. The miracle, that doesn't mean it's a magic oil, it's a combination of all the essential oil in it. I apply it on my hair, apply it on my body, I mix it with my cream, I apply it whenever I scrub my body. It moisturizes and it brightens and it makes your body look shiny. So you don't need to add any bleaching thing on your cream just to mix it to brighten. You need an essential oil to mix with your cream. You understand? So we come to the end of our session today. If this tip was helpful, please drop a comment down below. See you next time. Bye-bye.